rolling.
Hey guys, happy August 31st, last day of August, hopefully last day of summer. So welcome to the Kevin and Tyler show. So we're going to do something a little different today. Had a few closings today, so we had to go at 2 o'clock today, but you know, normally we're on the inside of the houses, so today we're going to tell you a little bit about some of our homes on the outside. If you're doing a little shopping, you're finding that a lot of dealerships are having a hard time getting inventory. We're going to show you we're having no problem getting inventory here at the Super Center in Oklahoma City. They feed us inventory because we sell so many homes. You know, whoever sells homes gets the houses, right? Isn't that right, Ty?
Makes perfect sense to me.
Yeah, you got to feed the beast. So
well, and also too, how many times are we going on? How many years in a row have we been the #1 dealership in the state of Oklahoma?
6 years so far, and hopefully this year will be number 7. So we're going to tell you, we're going to take you through. We have 24 houses here, folks, to view. Most of them air conditioned. We're going to take you through our single wides. We bring these houses in. There's 13 of them. We've got them all ready to go. We don't even take the tongue off. We sell them so fast. So,
hey, Kevin, we've got a John Lyons that is asking, what is the warranty of our homes?
Oh, that's a great question. So it depends on the house. So we sell 3 different series of homes. So some of them have a 1-year factory warranty. All of the singles I'm going to show you today have a 1 year. Thanks for asking, John. We also, on every home here in Oklahoma City, include a 5-year warranty that covers all of your appliances, air conditioner, furnace, hot water heater. So you know, you're more than likely to have an issue with that than you are the home. So all the singles have a 1-year warranty, again from the factory. We include, so the prices I tell you about today are going to include delivery, setup, air conditioner, steps for front and back, all the appliances in the home. So, and of course, the 1-year warranty from the factory, the 5-year warranty that covers appliances, hot water heater, air conditioner, furnace. That's right, 5 years. And then we'll have a limited 12-year structural warranty. So all of our double wides will come with a 5-year warranty from the factory and a 5-year warranty side by side that covers all of the things the factory does.
And Kevin, that 12-year structural, is that the best in the industry?
It is.
Okay.
It is. So, and it is a manufacturer defect warranty. So obviously, you know, it doesn't cover earthquakes. Your insurance will cover that. But
and then John, real fast, you made a comment about the phone number. We usually do that at the video, but if you're wanting to call and make an appointment right now, it's 888-908-8700. That's toll free. And you call us anytime. We'd love to have you guys out to the sales center.
Absolutely. So all of the homes that we're going to show you today, guys, don't forget, although we go over this on every video, you can go to okc.palmharbor.com. You can click display homes. The list will populate from the largest to smallest house. It's going to have all the homes I show you today, how many bedrooms, the sizes, and the price. And yes, we will sell you the home for that price. So let's talk about our first home. So this is our cabana. It's one of our top selling homes. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, Tyler. And let me tell you, you're going to have to go to the website to see this home inside. But we've got the backsplash is gorgeous throughout the house. The house actually looks like a log cabin. Again, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single wide. And we sell this home right here at $51,999, Ty. So let's take them to the next house. So this is one of our newer models, and this home's only been being built for a few months, but we're already on number 7 or 8. So this is our 16763L. So this is a 16 wide by 76 long, 3-bedroom. L just stands for the model. So you're gonna want to see this house, guys, when you go on the website. This home features wood beams throughout the room. It features a backsplash, 1-piece tub shower combos, and we're selling this one high $5,000 off today. All of this stock have $5,000 off. You can see the homes online. So if you order this, it's 5 more. We're selling this one at $62,999, Ty. So our next one we have here is we've got a couple of these to choose from at various price points. So this is a 1672, so that's 16 wide, 72 long, 3-bedroom Velocity model. And hang on just a second, and let's see. Yeah, so this one, Ty, this one, we've got a couple of these different models, but this one features an alternate kitchen, so you'll just have to go online to see what I mean. Basically, there's a sink over the window, or a window over the sink, instead of it being in the corner. And we're selling this one, Tyler, at $47,999, so that's $5,000 off the $52,999 asking price. So and we've got prices, guys, for everybody. I've got homes coming in on the way in next month, and we'll have some singles in the mid-30s for you. This is another 1672, different color. So if you don't like what we had over here, we've got a different color for you. It doesn't have the fancy exterior, it's more basic, but it's the same floor plan inside. And Tyler, we're selling this one for $44,739. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath also. So that's almost $3,000 lower than the other one. So here's another 1672. So same colors as the one I showed you just a few minutes ago. The difference is this one doesn't have the alternate kitchen. So this one will sell the stock today, $5,000 off at $47,425. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house as well. And Tyler, everyone's seeing these tongues. Don't forget, we take the tongues off just like our doubles. So these tongues come off with bolts, so it's not like the olden days where someone sells you a single wide and then they give you a free tree and a few bushes. That way you can hide the tongue. We don't have to do that anymore. Our tongues come off. We just leave them on here because I sell them so fast. So by the time you get here, some of these homes will probably be gone, but I've got more coming. So this is another one of our more popular models. We call it the Villager. So a little fancier inside than the last couple of 1672s. This is a 16 by 76 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And I've got a couple of these in stock for you today. We're selling these at both of them at $48,999. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, these homes come delivered, set up, air conditioner, steps front and back, all the appliances you'll see. You're going to want to go online, go to that Homes on Display, find the house that we're talking about in the video. You'll see the price I told you about, but there's a link where you can see all the beautiful pictures of the inside of these homes.
And guys, I'll make sure
it's hot out here. I'm telling you, this pavement's got to make it 30 degrees hot.
Oh, it's pretty crazy. And also too, Cab, one of the things I'll do for all the watchers, and of course we're going to boost this post like we always do, I'm going to post the link in there so you guys can just click the link directly and we'll get you going.
So here's the other Villager. So again, we've got 2 of these. We order these houses 5 at a time. That way I'm able to get a discount. So that's why I've got some of them. I've got 2, some I've got 3. We started with 5. So this is a super hot house. You're going to want to come out and check out the Villager. So Ty, as we move on down here, this house that I'm fixing to tell you about, the Santa Fe, this is a gorgeous house. This house alone has backlogged the factory it comes out of till February. This house is so gorgeous. It's almost full tape and texture except in the kids' room. Rock backsplash. I mean, you're going to want to go online and look at the Santa Fe. We are taking orders on this house, and we do have several homes already ordered for the sales center that we can put you in. This home is going to come in at, you can buy this one even though I just got it, what, 3 weeks ago when I was in Tulsa?
Something like that, yeah.
You can buy this one discounted at $67,279. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, so 1,178 square foot. It's got a gorgeous walk-in tile shower. You know those tile showers where there's no doors?
Absolutely.
So folks love the tape and texture. They love the flat ceilings. They love the ceiling beams. So nicest 16 wide I've ever seen since I've been at this sales center, which has been since 1998 right here. So man, manufactured homes have come a long way.
Yes,
I was just showing my Axle guy the new triple wide we got in, which, you know, stay tuned guys, we're gonna walk through the little bell here in a couple of weeks when we get her done. But he was just like, this guy picks homes up all over the country, Axles, and he was like, man, this house is gorgeous. But so now we stop here at the Encore. So this house is a beast. This is an 18 wide. So an 18 by 76, 1,300 square foot, 8.5 foot flat ceilings, 96-inch tile shower. That's longer than me, Tyler. I mean, it is massive, and it's got one of those, what do they call those, shower bars?
Yeah, it's actually the tower showers, where you got water that comes out of multiple spots.
It's like taking a shower in a car wash. I mean, it is, I mean, I've never actually tried it, but I really want to. So, anyway, this home, texture almost in the majority of the home. It's got a massive island. You're going to want to check this list out. Go to the Encore, check out the pricing, check out all the cool features in it. This home we're selling for, let's find it here, $69,999 for this one, okay? If we order $175, which I have a couple more coming in, so just...
Folks that haven't watched this before, with our pricing, what all does our pricing include?
So, fantastic. I appreciate you asking. So it's going to include delivery and setup. It'll include air conditioner. It's going to include a set of steps for front and back. And I like to tell folks, these are brand new steps. They've never been rained on until they get to your home. They'll have a handrail on one side to make furniture easy to move in and out of. So all of the singles I showed today will come with a 1-year warranty from the factory. Then you'll have a 5-year warranty on every one of these that will cover your appliances, hot water heater, air conditioner, furnace. Then you'll have a limited 12-year structural warranty for any major manufacturing defects. So if there's anything you need, well, septic, foundation, dirt work, all of that. So give one of the guys a call at 888-908-8700 or check us out online at okc.palmharbor.com. Ty, spin around and show them the line we just walked down. Look at all these single wides. All you've got to do is come out and pick your favorite color. So just find the name, look it up, and give us a call. And we will close Labor Day, but we got a lot of appointments scheduled for tomorrow. So have a happy Labor Day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys next Friday.